welcome to the Accountability Show. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like this video and also subscribe to the channel because I would love for you to turn on notifications so that you know when we have an episode drop. Today we're talking about why do I need to know how to read a financial statement? Why do I need a financial statement in my business? On last week's episode, we were talking about the what, like what is a financial statement? What consists of a financial statement? The balance sheet, the income statement, the cash flow. Well, today we're talking about why. The main reason why you need a financial statement is to be able to track and to keep score. I mean, you wouldn't play a basketball game without having a scoreboard, I wouldn't think. Everybody likes to know what the score is. They like to know where they stand. And in your business, the only way to know where you stand and the only way to keep score is to have a financial statement. Your balance sheet and your income statement is going to help you understand where you stand in your business and track how much money have you made? How much cash do you have? How much money do you expect to receive? How much money do you expect to pay other vendors and service providers? These are all very important pieces of information. And the way that this is all summarized in your business is in a financial statement. You know, a lot of people I've heard say that accounting is the language of business. Well, in order to understand how to speak that language, you need to know how to read a financial statement. And so it is critically important for your business to have these financial statements so that you can be able to go get funding for your business, so that you can attract potential investors for your business if you need it, so that you know as your own investor in your business where everything is tracking to. So a financial statement, a balance sheet, is going to tell you the actual picture in time, and an income statement is going to tell you the activity in a period of time, in a certain period of time. And when you go to try to get funding for your business, and this is the place that is the number one priority for having a financial statement and financial records, is in order to get funding for your business, in order to go get a loan, in order to go get additional loan in order to grow your business, to take yourself to that next level. Using other people's money are going to require you to have a financial statement. And this is a way for them to get a picture of your business and exactly where it stands at a specific period of time. So when you're going to get a loan, there's certain ratios, there's certain information that bank or that lender is going to be looking at in order to determine whether or not you have the ability to pay that money back. That's why it's so important for you to have a financial statement that's accurate, that you just don't throw together. Your financial statement could be worth millions of dollars to you, and you don't even really know it. The ability to go out and lend, or to get lending, the ability to get funding for your business is purely determined by your past experience in paying down debt or paying down any service providers, or your ability to generate revenue from a month-to-month basis. That is what determines whether or not you are able to get lending. There's all kinds of different ratios that the banks talk about, but really at the end of the day, if you have more money at the end of the month than you started with at the beginning of the month, and you can prove that you earned that money through the activities in your business, then that proves that you have cash flow. And banks love cash flow. Lenders love cash flow. They love to see that you can cover their note payment 2 times, 3 times, at least 1.25 times every single month with the net income of your business. So your net income and your income statement, that is a critically important part of why you need to have the ability to read this financial statement and why you need to be producing it on a regular basis. Funding in your business is the number one priority. That's exactly where you're going to have the biggest impact. So what is a financial statement? Balance sheet, income statement, cash flow. Why do you need it? You need it because this is going to help you track your business. This is going to allow you to be able to understand exactly what specific expenses produce revenue for you. See, that's the thing that most business owners forget, and I even forget myself from time to time. These expenses that you are spending money on produces future revenue for you. And if it doesn't produce future revenue, you need to adjust those expenses to then produce that net income. Every time that you pay a payroll, you are investing in your business. You're investing in those people. They are going to produce future revenue for you so that you produce net income so that then you can afford to go pay a note payment, which then will allow you to expand your business even further. Maybe spend more money on advertising. Maybe spend more money on additional people because that is producing you, that new product that they're producing is producing more revenue for you at a higher profit margin. All of these are reasons why you need a financial statement and why you need to be studying your financial statement on, in my opinion, a daily basis. This is something that you need to look at daily. You need to look at it weekly. You need to look at it monthly, quarterly, annually. The business owners that have the most profit in their business, the business owners that run their business and don't worry about their business, run it by the numbers because they know the numbers so well. They know that they have to produce this much revenue every single day or this much revenue every single week for them to be successful, for them to make money. After all, you started your business to make a profit and generate cash. How do you know if you made a profit and generated cash without a financial statement? You don't. You don't. And all of these major corporations, all of these major businesses, they all produce financial statements. And that's why it's important for you to as well in your business. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's episode of the Accountability Show. We are going through the 12 steps to lay a strong accounting foundation for your business so that you can reach your goals, your personal, your professional, your financial goals. And we're going through each different reason, the what, the why, the how. And then we're talking about an example every time too. So tune into next week's episode when we're talking about how do you produce a balance sheet and an income statement.